Hi everyone, it's Matt. Welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, I'm going to show you how I capture tasks with Microsoft To Do and dictation on my phone. Usually I record my task on Microsoft To Do. I look at To Do every day and I go through the list of all the tasks I've recorded and I decide what things I'm going to do that day. When I'm sitting at my desk, I can easily flag a task from an email or write some straight into To Do. But when I'm away from my desk, it's harder to remember to capture and review my tasks. Because I have my phone on me all the time, I can use it to capture my tasks. I did find that when I typed them onto the phone, they were often hard to understand once I was back at my desk because I'd used bad grammar or had typos, or I hadn't really captured the essence of what it was that I had to do. Because of that, I started to experiment with dictation on the phone, and I found that dictation works much better for me than typing does. While it may not work for everyone, dictation for me is the quickest and easiest way to capture a task immediately, and then have it mean something when you plan to schedule it later on. Dictation on To Do is really simple, and it's the same for iPhone and Android. So you just open up the To Do app, you press into a task, and then when the keyboard appears, you press the dictation button. I usually capture tasks in the default tasks list, then I don't have to think about where they're going, and I'll sort them out later. You speak and you describe your task, and I use an iPhone and it's incredibly accurate most of the time. Occasionally I have to do a little edit, but that's rare. Sometimes it's helpful to break down the task into smaller steps or subtasks, and you can do that with dictation too. Once you've created your task, you just touch into it and then you touch the Add Step button. Then dictate the step and press Done, and you can repeat this if you have more than one step to add. So that's how I capture my tasks in To Do with dictation. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.